Section 680.22a of the National Electrical Code addresses the requirements for electrical connections to pool pumps in dwelling units. This section specifically mandates the use of a single receptacle for this connection. The key here is understanding what constitutes a single receptacle and whether certain connection methods meet that definition. A single receptacle, as defined by the NEC, is a device that provides one contact device for the connection of a single attachment plug. It is designed to accept only one plug. Now consider a male and female cord cap connection equipped with weather tight boots. These types of connections, often referred to by a manufacturer's name, are essentially cord connectors designed to extend or create a disconnect point in a wiring system. While they provide a secure and weather-resistant connection, they do not meet the definition of a single receptacle. The reason for this is that a male and female cord cap connection is not a single device with one contact point for one plug. Instead, it involves two separate components, a male plug and a female connector, that join together. This distinction is crucial for understanding code compliance. Section 680.22a is very specific in requiring a single receptacle to ensure a secure and reliable connection that minimizes the risk of electrical hazards. The intent is to avoid the use of extension cords or multi-plug adapters, which can be prone to damage, overheating, and other issues that compromise safety. When evaluating whether a particular wiring method complies with 680.22a, it is essential to focus on the nature of the connection device. If it is a single unit designed to accept only one plug, then it meets the requirement. However, if it involves multiple components that are joined together, such as a male and female cord cap connection, then it does not comply. To ensure compliance with the NEC, it is recommended to use a listed single receptacle specifically designed for outdoor use and suitable for the environmental conditions around the pool. These receptacles are typically weather-resistant and equipped with features such as covers and seals to protect against moisture and corrosion. In summary, the use of a male and female cord cap connection with weather-tight boots for a pool pump in a dwelling unit does not comply with Section 680.22a of the NEC because it does not meet the definition of a single receptacle. Always adhere to the code requirements and use appropriate listed devices to ensure a safe and reliable electrical connection for pool equipment. Always consult with a qualified electrical inspector who has the final say in the field to ensure compliance with all applicable codes and regulations. Several sections of the National Electrical Code, or NEC, are relevant to the proper and safe installation of electrical equipment for swimming pools. These sections cover a wide range of topics, including wiring methods, grounding, bonding, GFCI protection, and the location of electrical equipment. Firstly, Article 680 of the NEC is dedicated specifically to swimming pools, fountains, and similar installations. It provides comprehensive requirements for all electrical aspects of these installations, including pool pumps, lighting, heaters, and other equipment. Secondly, Section 680.21 addresses the wiring methods allowed for pool equipment. It specifies that wiring must be installed in rigid metal conduit, intermediate metal conduit, rigid polyvinyl chloride conduit, or reinforced thermosetting resin conduit. The type of wiring method depends on the specific application and location. Thirdly, Section 680.22 covers the requirements for receptacles. As we discussed earlier, it mandates the use of single receptacles for pool pump connections and specifies the location and type of receptacles allowed in the vicinity of the pool. Fourthly, grounding and bonding are critical for electrical safety around swimming pools. Section 680.26 outlines the requirements for bonding all metal parts of the pool structure, including the reinforcing steel, metal fittings, and metal equipment. This bonding creates an equipotential plane that minimizes the risk of electric shock. Fifthly, ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI, protection is required for many electrical circuits around swimming pools. Section 680.22 mandates GFCI protection for receptacles located within a certain distance of the pool. GFCI protection is also required for lighting fixtures and other electrical equipment in the pool area. Sixthly, Section 680.25 specifies the requirements for pool water heaters. It addresses issues such as overcurrent protection, control devices, and wiring methods. Pool water heaters must be installed in accordance with these requirements to ensure safe and reliable operation. Seventhly, lighting is an important aspect of pool safety and aesthetics. Section 680.23 provides requirements for underwater lighting fixtures, including their location, type, and installation methods. Underwater lighting fixtures must be specifically listed for pool use and installed in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. Eighthly, Article 300 of the NEC provides general requirements for wiring methods. It covers topics such as conductor installation, protection against physical damage, and proper installation techniques. These general requirements apply to all electrical installations, including those around swimming pools. Ninthly, Article 250 of the NEC covers grounding and bonding requirements for electrical systems. It provides detailed information on how to properly ground and bond electrical equipment to ensure safety and minimize the risk of electric shock. Tenthly, Article 430 of the NEC covers the requirements for motors and motor circuits. Since pool pumps are typically driven by electric motors, this article is relevant for understanding the proper overcurrent protection, control devices, and wiring methods for pool pump motors. It is essential to consult with a qualified electrical inspector to ensure compliance with all applicable codes and regulations. Inspectors have the final say on whether an installation meets the requirements of the NEC and other local codes. By understanding and following these key NEC sections, you can ensure the safe and compliant installation of electrical equipment for swimming pools. This will help protect pool users from electrical hazards and ensure the reliable operation of pool equipment.